If you are sleeping 7, 8, 9 hours and you still wake up tired, something is wrong. It's not because you are lazy. It's not because you're getting older. It's not stress alone. Something is happening biologically. And today I'm going to explain to you what that something is. 2 in 3 adults report chronic fatigue. But here's what concerns me the most. Most of them think it's normal. They will say, I'm just too busy. It's motherhood, it's entrepreneurship, it's aging, it's my job. No. Energy is survival. When your energy is low, your body is not thriving, it's coping. Let's talk physiology. Energy is ATP, and ATP is made in your mitochondria. So mitochondria requires oxygen, B vitamin, magnesium, CoQ10, proper detox function, low inflammation load, balance. If inflammation is high, mitochondria slows down. If toxins accumulate, energy production drops. If cortisol is chronically elevated, repair shuts off. Sleeping longer is not going to fix mitochondrial dysfunction. That is why you wake up tired. I know what you're thinking. Well, Dr. Jeanty, I'm doing labs. And guess what? Most labs check TSH, hemoglobin, glucose. They do not check cellular nutrient utilization, mitochondria efficiency, inflammatory load, or functional deficiency. Patients are told you're fine when they feel exhausted. That creates hopelessness. Here's what I see clinically. You push through fatigue, you rely on caffeine or stimulants or energy drinks, and afternoon crashes. Brain fog, weight gain, hormonal shift. Autoimmune or chronic illnesses, energy is the warning, not the inconvenience. People are trying coffee, energy drink, oral B12 adaptogen, thyroid dose increases, and random IV lounge drips. But these are temporary lift. They are not going to restore. Why? Because you cannot stimulate the depleted system back to health. You must restore it. This is why in our clinic, Wellness Corner NJ, we start with energy first. Because when energy improves, mood stabilizes, weight begins to shift, hormone regulate, and immune resilience improves. We don't boost, we restore. That's the difference. If you are constantly tired and you are normalizing it, I want you to stop. So I want you to comment energy below if this resonates with you, because in my next video, I'm going to explain to you why supplements, medications do not work for energy and what does. See you in the next video.